Hi there, I'm Eitan, and welcome to WiX Fixer. This is part of our WiX Data API series, and specifically we're talking about WiX query and the greater than method, which is also here written as GT. And what this method can do is search for items based on a certain field where that field's value is greater than the parameter given into the query. And as you can imagine, this will usually be used with numbers, but it could also be used with dates and strings. If you want to look more about comparing lexicographically, you have articles like this, which I will link below. But as I said, the most general use case would probably be numbers or dates, and we're going to be using numbers for this example. So let's get started. So over here, I have the demonstration that I set up in the previous videos. And basically, we have a query that's running over here. And I'm just going to get rid of this so it doesn't confuse anybody. So I'm just going to get rid of this and get rid of this because we're not using those right now. And this will run when I click the search button. And now the query is set up without any specifications, but we're going to be adding the greater than over here. And we're just going to be checking if a field that I named age, if the value is greater than 21. Okay, let's say we're trying to check to see if we only want to get people who are above drinking age in the US. So we're querying our database for people who are above the age of 21. And if I go over here into preview, and then I click search right over here, then you'll see that we get back a list of items, and there's only 4 people here. And if we look at the ages, then we see here age 34, age 23. Okay, so these are only people that are older than 21. And this is a great way to, to query for items based on, let's say if I only want dates that are in the future, or I only want dates that are in the past. Okay, so you'd be doing that using the greater than method, or its related methods, which are the less than. Okay, so this is the opposite pretty much of greater than. And there's also 2 more, which is less and equal and greater and equal. So let me demonstrate here what the greater and equal will do, because it's actually what we need in this case, okay? Because I don't want to find only people who are above 21. I want to find people who are either 21 or above, right? Because 21 is legal. I don't only need people who are 22 and above. So let's preview now. And we'll see that we got back 1 more item. Let's search over here. And you'll see that we should have 1 more item, unless I didn't put anybody's age to be 21. Okay, my bad. So let's do, I'll do 65 and above. Okay, let's say we're looking for people who are retirement age. So greater or equal to 65. So let's preview that. And we'll also get less items, so it'll be easier to see that way. I'm going to hit search right over here, and you see we only have 2 items. One is age 65. Okay, so this demonstrates the point that we are getting back those items where the field is either equal to or more than the specified value. And this is sometimes one of the more confusing methods, especially when it comes to dates. I personally forget every single time if I should be using greater than or less than, and I have to test it out first before I can figure out what the right one is. But it is extremely useful, and it has many use cases. That's it. This is a short video just about the greater than, greater equal, less than, and less than equal. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll have more videos about WiX Query coming up soon.